Okay, I just want to welcome everyone back to my channel, back to my page. My name is Brent, for anybody who doesn't know. Today, we're just kind of walking around Athens. Tomorrow I'm going to get on the ferry and go out to Amargos and go hang out there for a few days. You're probably wondering, like, wait, you barely stayed in Athens, and I know, but I have family and stuff coming at the middle of next month, so I don't want to explore too much where they're going to want to see these places as well. So today we're just going to kind of walk around, go check out a few places, and then tomorrow morning I'll get up early. I just kind of wanted to jump on here and say hi and see how everyone was doing today. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification. I appreciate it every time you guys do. So today we're just going to kind of walk around, maybe go check out the Acropolis, just walk by it, and then go grab some food. So I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll keep you guys updated as well. Okay, so I just showed you guys a little sneak peek of the Acropolis. We're not going to go walk and do it today, so no spoilers yet. But when we come back in like 4 weeks, we'll check it out more and go more in depth. But it's pretty cool to see from down below. It's pretty beautiful. We're going to go to the Botanical Garden and go check that out.
Come to another wall of friends, log number 22 from Greece, Athens, second day in Athens, walking around, seeing a lot of birds, find the inner passion for fishing.
Okay. Well, we just got on the ferry, which is an 8-hour ferry ride to Amargos. These things are huge. I was not expecting them to be so big, but I guess like to travel as far as they are, you have to. It should be easy to get on. We ended up doing business class because that's all I had left. But it was super quick, super easy. The line was very long outside, but we put our bags downstairs, got on the ferry, and now we're hanging out. From here it's like 8 hours to Amargos. The ferry was relatively easy to get on. Last night we checked in, we had to fill out another like PLF, like person locator form, verifying that we either took a COVID test or something. But they didn't verify it or anything. They were just like, okay, good, go ahead. So it was very easy to get on, super simple. But yeah, I'll take you guys along with. We'll do a little time lapse here and there, clips here and there of the journey to Amargos. Okay, as you can tell, we've made it to Amargos. It's one of the furthermost islands. I'm here to kind of do some free diving. Hopefully, it's very windy and it's supposed to be windy the next couple days, so we'll see. If it doesn't clear up by Monday, I'm probably gonna head for another island or do something else. Because obviously, I want to do some diving, and I don't know how much there is to do around Amargos. I'll check everything out. Right now, we're eating this little restaurant. Well, I'm eating at this little restaurant here. Grab some fresh bread and everything. I was gonna relax, hang out. Hopefully get a hotel here in a moment, and then go that way. But I'll keep you guys posted and stay tuned. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the meal I got today. He said it's a traditional meal. It's pork with 4 wine sauces, is what he said. So we'll give it a taste. We'll see how it is. I don't have silverware, so we're just gonna bring it so we can taste it. That's good. It's good. Very good. Okay, so it's been a few days since I jumped on here. Maybe like 2 days. No, maybe like a day actually. I got here, we recorded, went and got the hotel, hung out, and now today's the next day. I rented an ATV. You see here my chariot awaits. So today I'm gonna go around Amargos, explore. I brought my fins and everything, so I'll take you guys with. Maybe we'll do some free diving, some fun diving, and just enjoy ourselves today. I'm super, super excited for this journey, and I'm gonna take you guys along with. Cheers. Check out this cool little town. So pretty. Check out how beautiful this place is. Wow. Oh, this is so cool, guys. Okay, so one thing I've noticed is it's very easy to get lost here. Holy cow. It's so cool though, it's so beautiful here. I wish you guys were all here with me. I actually have my GPS on because I don't want to get lost. Okay, so we're gonna walk to the castle and go check that out, and I'll take you guys with me. Okay, once again guys, I apologize for the wind. It's a very windy day today. But I believe this is the old castle right here that I've been looking for. I walked around this whole town for. And then over here on the distance, these are all olden day windmills that they used to use. Obviously you can tell in the distance, I mean I don't know if you can, that some of them are no longer working, but they're beautiful. Wow, the view is insane. Okay, I'm walking these steps right here, and go check them out. And I don't know if you can tell, but look at these dang stairs. Get in, that's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We're gonna go get back on the 4-wheeler and head for the next city. It's kind of, I just wanted to walk around. I saw the mosque, the church. I don't know actually if I did. I can see it right here. So maybe we'll go check out the church real quick and look at it. If I remember right, people were telling me this is the city of Amargos capital. And this is, like I said, this is a castle. Then you have the wind. It's known for its windmills. And then you have its mosque here too. It's a very, very small city. You can walk in, I'd say, 4 minutes, because there's a lot of ups and downs. It's a bit more reasonable. Beep beep. Okay, so we're at our next stop in Amargos, which is the Amargo Shipwreck. Sorry, I don't know if it's famous or not. It's just a landmark place to see in Amargos. So we're walking down there right now. You can kind of see it right from here. So I'll give you guys a view from above, and then we'll get a little closer so you guys can really feel how big and ginormous this ship really is. Obviously, it's very windy, so I'm not going to get in the water. But if it wasn't windy, I probably would go swimming. But check this out. Look at that thing. I don't know the full history behind this shipwreck or anything. You know, I'm just kind of exploring and enjoying myself. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. It's huge. The water is amazingly blue here. We'll walk down. I'll bring you guys to it. See you in a second. We'll be there. Look at this thing, guys. It's absolutely insane. I apologize for the wind. It's very windy here. Once again, check it out from over here. Freaking beautiful it is. This view, everything about this place is insanely beautiful. this is gonna wrap up the Amargos Island for this trip. Ended up a little sunburnt, as you guys can tell, but I had an amazing time this last couple of days here. Today we're gonna head for the next island tonight, so tomorrow I look forward to that. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification. It means a lot to me. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Also, enjoy this beautiful drone footage.